Here with Teach Mom How. Today I'm going to show you how to make grid lines in Excel. So these are grid lines, all these grid lines, and they're there by default, but maybe you want it to be all white. You would click on View, turn off grid lines. And if you don't want to see the headings, you can turn off the headings as well. Okay, you can hide the formula bar, all those things. So now the grid lines are gone. Maybe I don't want the grid lines to be there across the board, but let's say I do want them to be there on my actual table. So what I can do is I can leave grid lines turned off, and on my actual table I can go to Home and choose, oh my gosh, I don't know where it's at. It's different in Excel, or sorry, it's different in Excel than in Google Sheets that I use more often. So just 1 second. Right here, okay? These are what lines I want it to show around it. So I can show a line just at the bottom. See how I put just a line at the bottom? I can show a line around the entire table box like that, or I can show it around just each and every cell like this. I can edit the thickness of it right here. Line color, I can change the color, and I can change, what did I just do? Oh wow, I've never known about that. 1 second. Okay, it's back to normal. So I can select this whole box, and I can change the thickness of the line right here. And that lets me hand draw lines. I never knew this feature. And I want to turn it off right here. There we go. So there you have it. That is how you can make your grid lines show up or disappear. Let's say I want to go back to no grid lines on that. I can come here and go no border right there. If I want them to show up again, I can go to View and see all the grid lines. FYI, these grid lines do not show up when you print. They'll only show up when you print if you've drawn a border around them like that. Change that back to black. Change it back to a smaller line. Line style. And go back to all borders, okay? It'll only print the borders if I've drawn borders. It's not going to print all of these grid lines, okay? Hopefully you found that helpful. If you need more help with Excel, check out the playlist I've attached to this video.